YouTube, it's your guy TopDownKickz with a Z. And I got a banger for you guys. I got the retro Air Jordan 6, the OG throwback low top cut blue Seahawks, man. And let me tell you, these bad boys need a fresh cut, a cleanup, some icing, a couple acetone to lift up that layer of dirt, and then back to icing, and let me work. Let go. You want to ice these bad boys for 24 hours on each session, okay? Each session, ice for 24 hours. Here is the results after each session, and they came out pretty good, but we're having troubles on the bottoms. We need to go ahead and try to take that acetone with the Q-tips. You know, if you have like a jar, pour the acetone in the jar, use those Q-tips and get those circle pods to make it an easy selling on the next session. Let's get it. Here's a quick tip. You want to take that OxyClean stain remover, mix it in with the soy sauce. This helps lift up any remaining dirts. And if you're wondering where I got it from, you can check your local Kroger's, Walmart, even a dollar store, between $3 to $5. And if you made it this far, make sure you hit that like. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Here is the results after the second attempt. You know, we cannot get all the yellowing. We can only make it more brighter, more cleaner looking. I also did more cleaning behind the scenes without recording. But like I said, I'm gonna do more cleaning. I just wanna show you guys how I do all of these methods one by one. And I got a little slideshow of the before and after pictures. Check it out. TopDownKickz with a Z. Check it out. Thanks for watching.